Yay!
It's about time you started the video.
Give me a break. Alright everyone, hi. Welcome to the Thai Life. We just finished dinner, so in front of us is this.
Dubai chocolate.
It's the Dubai chocolate, yes. And we never had this before because it's 20 bucks. 20 bucks for
You
this
said
thing.
$20
Yes, I did.
on a chocolate.
Wait, how did you spend 20 bucks at a gas station?
To get this so that we can try it. Because this is like a viral thing. So I have to know how it tastes like and why is it viral. For 20 bucks, you guys are only getting a
What's the
tiny
brand?
piece.
Let me see.
Yeah, what's the brand? Can you tell us the brand?
Mauricio? Who's
Mauricio. Yeah. What's how many calories is that?
340.
300.
servings. Okay.
3 serving?
I don't even know where it's made. Where is it made?
Where is it made? Let me
No
see.
idea.
Hold on.
No idea.
Where is this made?
It doesn't say.
Okay, but it's milk chocolate with pistachio and kunafa. I don't know what kunafa is. But-
Let's try it.
Kaylin, can you stop that? Serving suggested. Okay, it is. Hold on. Where is this made?
It doesn't say, honey.
Anyways, let's try it. You guys ready?
Yeah, my Labubu's also gonna try it.
Your Labubu's gonna try it?
Yes.
Here.
His mouth is
So this is how it looks like, guys. Here, let's show the view. Let's open it up.
Let's see what it looks like.
Real Labubu's, Caitlin.
Oh,
Here.
they're upstairs.
Okay.
Alright, let's check this out.
I didn't want to get them dirty.
Okay.
This is a big chocolate bar right here, okay?
Oh.
This is a big chocolate bar.
Turn it around. Turn it around.
And it's green inside. Look.
It's made in Turkey.
It's made in Turkey, okay? We found out. And this is how it looks like on the other side.
Wait, Daddy, break it.
Hold on, let's show the view, how it looks like. First, we have to do a smell test. It smells good.
I love that smell.
You like the way it smells?
Carter.
Wait, you okay? Wake up, wake up.
Chocolate smell.
Smells good. Okay, let's break it. Let's
Yeah,
break
break
it to
it.
the middle.
Break it.
Wait, we gotta show them when we break it. Hold up, hold up.
How satisfying is it?
Oh, it's so hard.
Let me try.
Oh,
There you go.
there it is. And what is it inside?
Pistachio.
So it's like green pistachio. Okay, so we put it in the refrigerator because we didn't want it to melt. So let's just break this. And let's just try small pieces. It's $20. We might have to save this for grandma, grandpa, and auntie. You know, we have a big family.
Get it, guys.
You know what I mean?
Hurt.
Who want to take the first bite?
Me.
Okay, let's have Carter take the first bite. Youngest to oldest.
My Labubu's the second youngest.
Take a big bite. You gotta take a big bite. How is it?
Okay.
How does it taste? Like sweet, bitter?
It tastes like chocolate but upgraded.
Upgraded. Okay, Kaylin, go.
Wait, no, it's my Labubu's
Okay,
turn.
put your Labu. Lord have mercy.
You like it? Okay. Mmm.
Tell the view how it is.
Why do I feel like
10
we're
out
like
of 10.
the
No.
Go.
Willy Wonka family? We all share one chocolate.
We are.
That fat guy?
No, the Willy Wonka
It's-
family.
Colin, you gotta take a good bite, bro. They didn't even
It
take a
tastes
good
like-
bite.
Chocolate, and then it has that crunch
Really?
in the inside.
Give it to mommy.
We
It's
all share one.
really good.
We are sharing one.
I'm having another
I don't
one.
know why it's so expensive. It's not that good.
I love it.
What? You don't like it?
Try it, Daddy. Try.
Okay, I'm gonna.
It's crunchy in the inside.
Well, your dad like took a huge bite. It's very sweet though.
It's really yummy.
Regular milk chocolate.
Hold on.
Very creamy.
You know what? Yeah, it is creamy. It is sweet. The chocolate does taste good. But it all depends. Like, if you're not a fan of, like, mochi.
Mochi?
What is it?
Mocha.
Mocha, right?
Mocha?
No. What does it come with?
Pistachio?
Yeah, if you're not a fan of pistachio, then you might not like it. But
I'm not a fan of pistachio.
I didn't
but
taste the
love it.
pistachio as much. But I taste more the
Very
green.
milky.
Yeah. Want to try another bite? No, what? Why are you eating that one?
Oh my goodness.
You didn't hear. I'm joking. Here, take it back. Take a good one. Okay, take
Okay,
another
guys,
one.
that's
Yeah,
a
take-
lot of candy.
The rest will
It
be
doesn't
for
live up
Rosie.
to its name. It's not that great.
No?
No.
Yeah, I don't know what the hype is, but maybe because we froze it. Because usually when I see the video, they eat it when the middle part is soft. But I mean, no.
It's good.
Look, overall, from 1 to 10, you give it a 10? What do you give it? 10? What do you give it?
7.
Huh?
6.
6? Damn.
Well, I don't even like eating.
I do a
sweet.
6.
Okay, I do love chocolate. I do have a sweet tooth.
I think it's too sweet.
But me personally,
A little bit too sweet.
I would give this,
9. 8.
I'll say a 7. I'll say a 7. The reason why is because it is a little bit over sweet.
Oh yeah.
That's one.
No.
It's a little bit over sweet. Secondly, I do like the flavor, but for $20, that's crazy. You know what I mean? Because you can get a pack of a big pack of chocolate candy
They have
at
this.
Costco for
They
less
have
than
this
$20.
piece, no.
But I can see why it's $20 because it's the height. But overall, I give it a 7. That's pretty much it.
But it's
Anyways, guys, eat up because since it's $20, finish it. Don't waste.
Can I have that piece?
Go.
That's a lot.
Thank you for watching, everyone.
I'm done eating.
Next
Thank
time,
you
we'll
for
get another
watching.
viral stuff and we'll do a fun review for y'all.
Thank
Peace.
you for watching.
Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye bye. We